keep on rocking in the
free world.
Keep on rocking in the free world.
What's up, everyone? It's a beautiful day down here at the beach, and I just woke up. I was out late last night with some friends and came back down to the beach to get some well-deserved sleep, and went to sleep for several hours. And then I went to turn my key because I got to go meet somebody else tonight for dinner, and whoopsies, we got no power, even though it's a new battery. So I fell asleep with my radio on, which I often do, and that doesn't really drain enough power to worry about the battery. However, I did accidentally leave my headlights on, because when I came down here, it was dark and gloomy and gray and a little bit drizzly, and I had my headlights on. I forgot that they were on. And this is the only van that I've ever owned that didn't have an emergency push-button switch where you could just connect the RV battery to the front and start yourself. So that's something I'm going to look into putting in. Actually, I was going to put a small solar panel on the roof. I mean, the sun is out right now, and my back battery is full. I was going to put a small panel just directly connected with a small charge controller to my starting battery, and then I'd never have to worry about it, or I could just wait a little bit and charge it up. I mean, it almost starts. I bet you if I wait about an hour, it'll start. But you know what? I don't need to, because I could always just take out the house battery, put it up in the front, and start my engine. But why would you do that if you could just pull out your trusty CAA card? So I gave them a call, and they're coming down, and I am going to get my free jump start. Well, free's all relative. I do pay monthly for my CAA, of course. But hey, it's good to have. Even if you're in the middle of the city, like I am, you never know when you just might need that extra help. And I don't want to call a cab. If you call a cab to jumpstart you, they charge you like 20 bucks. It's ridiculous. And I don't carry around a booster pack anymore. I've never really had a need over the years for one of those. So I'm just going to get a small panel, or I'm going to hook up a line so I can just jumpstart myself off the back battery. But I'm actually probably going to just do the solar panel idea, mainly because I would never forget to leave my lights on at night, because I would see them when I park, so I wouldn't have an issue at nighttime. Also because this way, when I do fall asleep with my radio on or whatever, it's charging at the same time, especially during the day. So there's a little addition I'll add to the van. Yeah, you see that buzzer? That buzzer only comes on if you open the door. That's why I forgot my lights were on. Yeah, it's good to have the What's up? Hey. Come to rescue the RV.
Justin, was it?
Yes, it is. Yes. How?
How's it going?
No, very good.
All right.
Yeah, I was about to pull out my house battery and do all this work, but I figured why not call you? I'm paying. Right? Yeah. It was already starting to recharge just sitting here, but I figured, fuck. There we go.
Keep on rocking in the free world.
Yeah, that'll look really good on a CAA truck. What do you think, guys?
It matches.
There you go. Yeah, that's for you, bud.
Awesome, cool, thanks. All
Cheers.
Right, well, have a good one.
You are watching Just Incredible TV.
Want to see more? Become a patron and see exclusive content. Plus, see new, just incredible videos before anyone on YouTube. Head over to patreon.com/JCredTV and keep on rocking in the free world.